start. The divide between the rural and the urban has grown due to an inherent urban bias among policymakers and institutions, including the government. This happens because groups in urban areas are able to effectively influence these institutions in their favor. Second, the spill over from markets in urban areas is also limited to the rural areas that are closer to urban settlements. This is known as the spill over effect, where the development of rural areas is dependent on larger urban cores. Consequently, rural areas which are far away from the urban core not only suffer from a lack of development but also keep falling behind rural areas which are closer to the urban core. It is for this reason that the state must step in to correct the rural urban disparity by having in place special and targeted measures to develop rural areas. The Jal Jeevan Mission within bracket JJM launched in August 2019 is one such project which aims to provide access to safe and adequate drinking water and all households in rural India by 2024. The provision of safe drinking water is an important non-food factor influencing health and nutrition. Besides enabling tap water access at the household level, it helps reduce the drudgery women and girl children have to face and ensures their safety as well. Ensuring the availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all is the sixth goal in the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations to be achieved by 2030. As it has been 3 years since its implementation at the All India level, tracking its progress in Tamil Nadu is important. This analysis is specifically important as Tamil Nadu's progress was better than the other states during the first 2 quarters of 2022. The data for this study have been sourced from the dashboards of the website of the JJM October 14, 2022 for the period between August 2019 and October 2022. As there was no mention of the total number of households as of August 2019 when the JJM started, the data for October 2022 data have been used as the base. The district level data reveal wider variations in providing tap water connections to rural households among districts. For instance, a significant proportion of rural households in Kanchipuram 100%, Ranipat 98.73%, Kanyakumari 83.99%, Vellore 80.89% districts have tap water. Coimbatore, Tirupur and these districts have also made significant progress, where more than 1 lakh rural households got tap water connections in this period. However, progress in districts was not commensurate with progress in others. In Dharmapuri district, it was only 2049 from 15.77% to 16.37% and 2089 from 42.26% to 42.95% household respectively in the last 3 years. Stop.